Miosa for TMJ. TMJ disorder is a complex issue encompassing a wide range of symptoms and an equally wide range of treatment philosophies. TMJ disorder is commonly associated with sleep disorder breathing, and many treatment modalities can make TMJ pain worse. The Miosa for TMJ disorder range of myofunctional appliances has been designed with the purpose of assisting with immediate diagnosis and symptom relief right from the first patient consultation. Because TMJ disorder involves the teeth, facial muscles, and jaw joints interacting to produce a wide range of symptoms, the Miosa for TMJ disorder range works by decompressing the TMJ and moving the mandible into class 1 while treating mouth breathing, incorrect myofunctional habits, and bruxing. The Miosa for TMJ range includes 2 appliances. The TMJ appliance, which is specifically designed to act as a universal initial diagnostic and treatment tool for TMJ disorder, and the TMD appliance, which features a comfortable low profile allowing for daytime use and unimpeded speech. Miosa for teeth grinders. Teeth grinding, or bruxing, is another common symptom associated with sleep disorder breathing and is often caused by mouth breathing, then exacerbated by stress or nervous tension. This bruxing can cause damage to the teeth, including visible enamel wearing, tooth cracking, or excessive tooth mobility. While the entire Miosa appliance range will offer some protection against the damage caused by bruxing, the Miosa for teeth grinders is designed specifically for this purpose and provides a protective barrier between the teeth. Intended to wear with use, these appliances can be easily replaced to prevent damage to the dentition. The Miosa for teeth grinders range includes 2 appliances, the TG, which is specifically designed to work best for bruxers who do not show any symptoms of TMJ disorder, and the TGH, which is specifically designed for tooth grinders who may also experience symptoms of TMJ disorder.